Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack. Hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey, YouTube family, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Come on, y'all. We're about to do this thing right now. We're going to make us some banana sweetbread. And I'm telling you, it's going to be moist and delicious. So let's follow these steps right now. The first thing we're going to do is tell you exactly what we use. And I got 3 mashed up bananas. They're ripened. If you can look, you want your bananas to look just like this for this recipe. Now I got 1 stick of unsalted butter, and then I have some sugar, and then I have some brown sugar. And also we're going to use 2 eggs. Along with that, we got some Greek yogurt, vanilla flavored, and then we have some vanilla flavoring. Now for our dry ingredients, we're going to use some all-purpose flour, some baking powder and baking soda. And we got some salt, along with that, some cinnamon. The recipes is going to be in the description. First thing I'm going to use is a 9-inch baking pan, and then I'm going to take some of this butter spray and spray the entire pan. But I'm going to also add flour to this to shake it on the inside to coat it well so we could slide that baby out easy. Now I want to set my oven at 350 degrees. Now, first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and take your 3 mashed up bananas along with the butter and add the sugar, both sugars, whether it's the white and the brown sugar. Just go ahead and add these babies. And this is going to be some good banana sweetbread, y'all. I'm telling you right now, you got to try this here recipe. And I'm also going to add in this Greek yogurt vanilla flavor. I'm telling you, if you can find some Greek yogurt that's vanilla flavor, it's going to benefit you. Trust me. But you could also use the plain if you would like. Now I'm going to toss in some vanilla flavoring, and I just want to go ahead and give this thing a nice mix after I add these 2 eggs. All right. So I want you to go ahead and mix it well. We do not want to over mix these flavors. So go ahead and start mixing. All right, now I want you to grab another bowl because we're going to mix our dry ingredients. Go ahead and take your flour, add it to the bowl. Now, once you've used your flour, I want you to go ahead and take your baking powder, and then also take your baking soda. Along with that, add your salt, and then go ahead and add in your cinnamon. So we want to go ahead and mix these together up real good. And then after we mix these up, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. How many of you guys have ever made banana sweetbread before? Now, I'm not adding any nuts or any type of chocolate chips to this or anything like that, but you could definitely do it if you want to make this your recipe. So now I'm adding the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And I just want to fold this flour, fold these dry ingredients into the wet batter. If you can see what I'm doing, do the exact same thing. Whatever you do, don't use your blender, okay? Just fold this in, and I'm telling you, and I promise you, it's all going to work well. Now I want you to go ahead and take your greased and floured loaf pan and just go ahead and add the mixture to your loaf pan. Now what you could do is allow this to cook for at least around about 45 minutes to an hour. But go and take you a wooden skewer, or you can even use a butter knife and insert it. If your butter knife doesn't come clean, let it cook for at least around about 5 to 10 more minutes. But you want your loaf to be fully cooked before you start cutting into it. So if you have to cook it a little longer, go ahead and cook it a little bit longer until your butter knife or wooden skewer would come out clean. Now, this is how easy it is for me to flip this baby out. This is important for you to grease and butter your loaf pan because it'll come out easy, just as you see right here. Now what I'm going to end up doing, I didn't even wait to cool this baby down. I went straight from the oven to the flip and going to cutting this baby up right now. Just check and see how moist this banana sweetbread is. I'm cutting it and you really don't have too many flaky crumbles falling off of it. You know what I'm saying? And it is so moist. I'm telling you, y'all will love it. That Greek yogurt did its job. So the only thing you need to do now is get yourself in the kitchen and try this here recipe. Now I'm going to leave the full ingredients for you guys in the description box if you really want to try this. Now, if you do try it and you decide you want to go ahead and add you some walnuts to this, then be my guest. Do it. If you want to go out and add some walnuts and chocolate chips to this, go ahead and do it. Or if you just want to do it just like I'm doing it right now, please go ahead and try it. But make sure you have some overripened bananas, because that's the only way that this recipe is going to work. But once you put your mouth on it, you're going to love it. So let me say thank you guys so much for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Love and not hate. Love somebody, but do me a favor and hate nobody. Peace. I love you guys.